In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this together step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create an invoice that properly records what your customers owe you. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top left of your screen for the plus icon labeled New. This is your starting point for creating most kinds of transactions in QuickBooks, including invoices. Go ahead and click the New button. Once the menu opens, you'll see several sections. Find the section labeled Customers. Under that Customers column, choose Invoice. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to create a sale that your customer will pay for later rather than immediately. Now you'll see a new invoice form. At the top of this form, choose the customer you're billing from the Customer dropdown. If the customer is already in your list, simply select their name. If they're new, you can add them directly from here by typing the name and following the prompt to add a new customer, making sure their contact details are correct so the invoice can be sent to them later. Next, move down to the invoice details. Check the invoice date and, if needed, adjust the terms and due date to match your agreement with the customer, such as net 15 or net 30. Setting accurate terms helps you track when the payment is expected. Now it's time to add the products or services you're billing for. In the product or service column, select each item from your existing list. If you don't see what you need, you can create a new product or service on the spot. Enter a clear description, the quantity, and the rate. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the amount for each line and then the total for the invoice. Take a moment to confirm that any sales tax settings are correct if tax applies to this sale. You can also use the message or memo fields to add notes for your customer or internal reminders for your records, such as a project name or a brief explanation of the work. Once everything looks accurate, you're ready to save the invoice. When you click Save or Save and Send, QuickBooks automatically records this as Accounts Receivable. That means it creates an entry showing the balance this customer owes you, increasing your accounts receivable total and your income for that sale. And that's all there is to it. By creating an invoice this way, you ensure your accounts receivable are updated and your books stay accurate in QuickBooks Online.